Hey C family, welcome back to the C set. Those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal, aka C the actress. I am a mom, I am an entrepreneur, I am a storyteller, I am me, I am relatable, I am here to share my journey so that you can be successful. I am here to share the struggles, the challenges so that you don't have to. We can skip over the mistakes. I will make the mistakes so that you don't have to. Welcome to the channel. I was inspired because I had a training this morning inside the Revealers YouTube Academy over on School. If you are not in there, go check out Reva Reveals. Go check out her channel. Join the community. We are in there learning all of the things. Serious students wanting to learn and level up. So I had a class this morning on how to create digital products, and I thought I'd just do a quick little video sharing the basics, super green, beginner friendly inside of Canva on how to create a digital product. So I'm going to do a screen record, talk you through it, and it'll be super quick, super simple, not detailed at all. If you would like to go further in detail, I do one-on-one coaching where I can share my screen, walk you through some things. Even if you don't know what to create, I can get you there. We all have a gift. We all have a talent. We all have knowledge in something to where we can help the next person and create a guide, a checklist, an ebook, some type of digital product to help the next person, because you got knowledge that you need to share and somebody's waiting for you to create it. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this beginner friendly Canva tutorial on how to create a digital product. And if y'all need more, if y'all want more, please comment below and I will create the videos. So I don't know what you need. I can't create if you don't comment. So please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's learn a little bit on this good Saturday. It's a good Saturday to be great and good and learn a little something, okay? So we can take the knowledge, go level up in our own journeys, in our own business, okay? So let's go. So let's go ahead and head into Canva. This is the home of my Canva. I have so many things that I have created. So this is what you will see in your Canva when you log in. There is a free version. I have the paid version that does some different things. So up here at the top where it says, what will you design today? So let's just, for an example, say that we wanted to do a checklist of some sort. And you can put specifically a daily checklist, a monthly checklist, it doesn't matter. Then comes up all of these templates. They're beautiful. So depending on how much information you need to put on them, or if you just want them to be like kind of bullet points like this one, this is kind of like a 1 through 5 type thing, you could do that. But if it needs to have more information, kind of like this one, this has a lot more information that you can input, and it has some more options down below it. Okay, so let's pick a design here and we are going to create a digital product. This will be a checklist for, let's just say, you know, like a cleaning checklist. Okay, we're going to do that, and let's pick this self-care one. It's pretty quick and simple. So we are going to customize this template. And even though it says self-care, I am going to create it for a cleaning checklist. So just like you, if you pick a design and you pick this template and it says self-care, you can always change that to whatever you want your digital product to be. So we are going to create a cleaning checklist. Okay, cleaning. And let's say I don't like this font here, right? I clicked on it, the box is purple, and I will go up to where it says Play Fair Display. That is the font that is being used right now. And I want to change it to Railway, right? Let's click Railway, and that's it. And then maybe I want to make it a little smaller, and I will just drag my finger on one of the dots on the corners and then push it up. And that's it, right? The purple lines, when you move it around, make sure that it is aligned perfectly with the letters and inside of the frame. So it's not off to the left too much or to the right. So the purple lines, when it is solid and you see the line going down and across, it is perfectly aligned. Okay. So that's the cleaning checklist. Say I don't want this to be pink. I want this to be a different color. Well, I actually like the pink. Let's keep that. But let's change this. Maybe I don't like this checklist to be like this brownish color. I will click it and then click the A at the top. It has that brown color at the bottom. That's how you change the color for this checklist word. And maybe I want it to be I'm just clicking on the different colors over here to the left. Do I want it to be black? Okay, I like the black. There's that solid line right there. And I like that. So I think I want to change this cleaning checklist. I want to change that color to brown. Yeah, I like that. Okay, like the cleaning checklist, we're going to click on it and it's highlighted. So we are going to change our checklist. And what am I going to do first? I will sweep first. Okay, then we're going to go to the next one, and I got to mop. Then we can wash dishes. Child, the cleaning is just not the best thing. I shouldn't have came up with this. Who likes to clean? I don't like the stars, so I am going to click on that and hit this trash can right here and delete that. I don't like that. Healthy eating, we can take that off and do, what do I have? Wash dishes. Let's say remove trash. So then it's all in one line. Then drink more water. Child, I should keep that there. We all got to drink more water and mind our business. Fold laundry, maybe. Right? Fold the laundry. What happened to the L? Space laundry. Okay, fold laundry, and then the date. Okay, the date, we can keep that, and I'm gonna make that box a little smaller just by dragging that that line over to the left. And if I want to put a date here, if I want to put another text box there, I'm gonna go over here to the right, or to the left, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna hit the text, this T, and this is where you add in a text box. So you have, you know, add a heading, a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Okay, so I'm going to select add a subheading, and you see this is here, and I don't want it here. So I'm going to click and drag it down to the date, and I'm going to change the wording in there. And I'm going to just do 8/23/25, okay? And we are going to click on it and drag it over to the left so it's closer to the date box. And I'm going to take that little circle, drag it down because I want it to be a little bit smaller. And you can take the plus sign at the bottom. If you see the circle at the bottom, those arrows and the cross here with the left and right, up and down, that's how you're going to move this. And we're just going to move it over to the left. And that's our date, but I don't like that font, right? So I want it to match this checklist font. So I'm going to click the checklist font. And if you look up at the top, that is Railway. So I'm going to click again, the date, and click the text here and click Railway. So it matches. Yep. And we're going to take the arrows here and just move it over just a little bit. And that's it. And then you can download this. You can make it a digital product. You can print it out, laminate it, put it on your refrigerator, make it for your kids. You can do a kids checklist. Creating products are so easy. And then if you wanted to download it, you would just go over here to the right and hit the share button. And then you have the options here, and it says download. And to make it you can have it as a picture, and that would be a PNG. But if you wanted to make it a PDF, right? You would do a PDF, you would select PDF and then download. So it doesn't download to a picture, and it won't go to your picture files. It will go to your files as a digital download, a PDF file. Okay. And I would, this is really good for the house. Like I would laminate this and then use a dry erase marker for the kids. Like I would make a checklist for the kids and just, you know, use a dry erase marker and they can check off as they go. Or you can make it a digital product and then you would download, and then you can select the different options. You can hit download, right? And then it would download right there. Then it'll ask you if you want to send it to people and all this jazz. Okay, get out of here. But we don't. But you can also go over here, and if you wanted to make it to where other people can change this, can change the font, these are all the options that you have. So you can create this as a template link. This is the second option here. You can create that. You can click that, and it says create a template link. That means anybody with this link can change the color and they can make this their own. They can make it a another type of checklist. They just like the way that you created the layout, but if they wanted to change something else, they can. So you would create that and copy it And that's how you would send this out so that other people can change it. And that is a template link, okay? But you can also, if you see the options down here, that's the way to share up top, and different ways to save it. Save as an image, that's the PDF. Save as a download, that will download, you know, in your files. You can have it go to Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, PowerPoint, all that. Share it to social media. You can link all of your stuff. But this video was just a quick tutorial on how to just create the basic. And if you wanted to make this multiple pages, you can click here at the top where it has the lock, the plus sign, and you would just hit the plus sign to make another page if you had more tasks to add on. So you could just keep going and take off sweeping and then put like clean bathroom and then keep going. But bathroom is a little too long, so we are going to take it and slide it over. So you're going to click this, click inside, hit the space bar, and then drag it over. Thank you. Drag it over, change this, click it, use your plus sign to move it back over there. Make sure it aligns with all the other words, and there you go. Okay, that is it. And if you wanted to make something else, just go back. Every time you make a change, it saves, and the button at the top with this cloud and the check mark means that it has saved to your drafts. So there it is. It's the first one right there, and it is saved. We can click on it, and both pages are right there, and you can start where you stopped if you wanted to add something. And you can also upload pictures. These are all my photos. So if I wanted to, you know, if this was a hair and makeup checklist, I could just add the photo, change the size. But you guys, this is really what I do. I know how to create products in Canva, digital marketing, all of the things. I offer one-on-one coaching. So if you want a training, I can share my screen and actually walk you through certain things like this. Click the links below. Let me know what you need. I got you, and we can get you started making this digital income, okay? And then if you didn't want that picture there and you want to choose something else, you could erase that. If you were super excited about cleaning, you could put your picture here. And the good thing about the paid version is it has background removal. So I've clicked on the picture, and up here on the toolbar at the top it says BG Remover. We are going to click that, and it's going to do its thing really quick and remove the background. So look how excited I am to do this cleaning. I could put this picture anywhere. I could put it down here at the bottom because I am just super excited to clean up, you know. But you could do anything with this. You can flip it. You can flip it horizontal, flip it the other way, or flip it upside down if you wanted to. So many things. This is just a quick tutorial, you guys, inside of Canva. There's so many things you can do. I am here to help you. Let me know if you need any help. DM me on Instagram, IMC the Actress, on all platforms, and I will leave a link below to where if you want to set up a one-on-one coaching call and figure out what type of digital products you can make, or if you need help making flyers, or anything, I got you. Hit me up. I hope this video helped out in one way, shape, or form. And, you know, let's just get this digital income, okay? Because it is here. You just have to be open to learning. All right. I appreciate you guys. The next video, maybe I'll go more into depth, but let me know what you guys need. Please comment down below so I can create the videos and the content for you, okay? These are the free products that I have. So if you do look down in the description and it says free resources, this is what that is. So the free resources are 10 ways to get paid online, and a digital marketing quick start guide, a headshot prep guide if you need that, a template on resume, and a template for invoices if you are starting your business and you need to learn you don't know how to make an invoice. That is a template to where you just download it and you're able to put your own information, plug and play, just like I just showed you in here. But you can put your own information in and send out an invoice to your clients. And also there's an actor's ebook there. But once you download this, you will see this first, and then all of the other free resources will go to your email. So please check your email. I can teach you how to, you know, create these types of digital products. And at the end here, it will invite you into my booked and paid community, give you some information on that and what it's all about. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't be out here begging for money on the internet like some other people we know. Don't be using YouTube for that. Teach people what you know. Now, I told y'all it was going to be super beginner friendly, very basic, wasn't too much detail. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys. So that was that. Let me know if you want more. And I think maybe next time I will, I think I might show you the back end of my stand store, but your girl is in transition, okay? I will be moving some things over to school because school is where it's at. Clock that T, honey. I'll teach you all about that when I get over there because, you know, once I get over there and I learn all the things, y'all know I'm gonna bring it to you. I'm going to bring it to you. So when I get that all set up and running, please come join the Book to Pay community over there because we about to get into some things. For now, just click the links in the description below. See how I can help you. Follow me on all platforms. I am at See the Actress. DM me on Instagram. I got you. Please comment below what you want me to create next time. And I hope that you guys have a great Saturday. Go out there, be great, get you a little drink or two, enjoy this weather before it gets super cold, okay? Although I do like fall fashion. Fall fashion is great, okay? All right, you guys, have a good Saturday, and I will catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.